So this video going to go over ZBAO, which is one of the top gainers here. Just doing some quick due diligence. We see that they have this convertible note. It's 2.5 million with the ability to get up to 8 million in tranches. They just closed this first tranche here. They also have this reset provision where the conversion price will be reset based on the lowest VWAP before the second and third tranche closing. So they haven't done those yet. So right now the conversion price is 471, but it can go as low as this floor price, 76 cents, and the company can even lower that further if they wanted to. So these are interesting because it's favorable for the holder for the price to be lower going into the second tranche closing, because then the conversion price will be adjusted. So say, for example, if, I don't know, let's just say it gets down to, $2 or $1 or whatever, then before the second tranche closing, then the conversion price will be 120% of that. So it generally will make sense for them to short it here. And then additionally, this was let's see here. This is an IPO back in April. So the lockup expired in October. So there's some lockup shares too. So I guess needless to say, there's potential, dilution that can put downward pressure on the stock. The only thing is that there is really no history whatsoever in terms of gaps or runs. So as I've said before, it's kind of tough to just assume what the price action is going to be like, whether they're just willing to sell it short just out the open, or if, it's a Chinese company, pull some, trappy action. So obviously this is one I would assume that there's going to be selling into it. And if that's the case, looking for it to fail pretty quickly out the open. And then if it's exhibiting any kind of trappy behavior after the open, holding over VWAP, something I'd probably just reevaluate my thesis on this one and potentially just even ignore.